This is Seth Yogesh, and today I will be doing, we are starting our first practical. And first of all, I would like to welcome you all in the third semester of BHM, and this is our first practical. In the syllabus, we have the introduction part here of the Indian cuisine. So I have chosen a simple but yet easy and simple dish that you can easily make at your home and enjoy it with your family and friends. So the dish is basically divided into two parts. One is the filling and other is the rolls for that outer covering of that. Okay. So let's begin with the filling first. Okay, here I will introduce you the ingredients which we are using here. For the filling, I am using hung curd. I have chopped bell peppers here. I have chopped coriander, chopped onions, chopped green chili. These carrot juliennes I will use in the garnish. Sauce, mint sauce, I will serve with the garnish. And we have spices here, that is amchur powder, black salt. This is red chili powder, salt, and this is chaat masala. I am also using cheese here. This is the processed cheese that I already grated. So let's make the filling first. This is the hung curd. Yesterday I hung this. I hung this for more than 24 hours. Now the whey is drained off, and this is the thick part of the curd. This is called hung curd. So I will take this hung curd for the filling. Here the bell peppers, chopped bell peppers. This is chopped coriander. I am using chopped coriander leaves and also the root of the coriander, because it contains much more of the juices. All the juices is in the stems. This is chopped onion. This is finely chopped onion. Green chili chopped. This is grated processed cheese. Now the spices: amchur powder, black salt, red chili powder, chaat masala for the tanginess, little bit of salt because I already used black salt, just a little bit of salt here. Now I have to mix it well. Mix it well so that all the spices get mixed well. That's fine. The filling is ready. You can see the filling. Now I have two slices of breads here. Okay, I am using sandwich bread here, but you can use toast bread also. Okay, now this bread I am going to roll it. You can sprinkle some water into it also, so that it will get soft and easy to roll. But as the bread is fresh, I don't need water here. Just roll it a little. Be careful, it should not break. Okay, otherwise filling come out. Now put the filling. Put it at the center, one side. Okay. Now this is the slurry of refined flour. I have added little bit of water. With the I have make it in the consistency that is not thick and not too much thin. It will help it to stick. Now just roll it tightly. Okay. And press the edges. This one is ready. We will do one more. Put the filling at the center. Don't put less filling. Put filling that is adequate. Okay. Otherwise, when you have a bite, you will get only bread. You need the filling also inside the bread. Just press it nicely so that it gets stick, and the filling should not come out when we deep fry it. Now we have rolled it into cylindrical form. Now we will deep fry it. 2, 3. Now the oil is already heated up. Here we need a hot oil. Okay. As the name of the dish is dahi ke shole, which means it resembles the shape of a hot coal. Okay, that's why it's named dahi ke shole. This is very much popular in the northern part of India and mostly in the Punjab and Delhi as a street food. Mostly it is enjoyed as a snacks with tea and coffee, but it can be enjoyed as a starter before a lunch or dinner, before a main course or a main meal. Okay. We will fry it till a golden brown color. It has a nice creamy texture inside and a crispy coating outside to this bread, deep fried bread. Now the golden color is already. Okay, we'll take it out. And put it in an absorbent paper so that the extra oil will be absorbed. Now one more we will do same way. Now you see these are golden fried, okay, deep fried till golden brown color. Now we will start its plating. For the plating, as I have used sandwich bread here, so they are little long, so we can cut it. Okay, if you use toast bread, there is no need to cut. You can serve it directly. Okay, you can see the texture from inside, the creamy, spicy texture of the curd, hung curd. Okay. This one also. Okay, now we will do the plating. I am serving it with a mint sauce. You can serve it with a ketchup or any of the sauce you want to serve with it. Okay. Okay, now as I have cut them diagonally, now we will start the plating. For plating, as I am serving it with the mint sauce, I will drizzle little bit of mint sauce. Just drizzle little bit of mint sauce unevenly. I have this onions, roundels. I have the julienne of this carrot. Arrange them at the top. Now we'll arrange our rolls. Put a sprig of coriander leaf at the top. You can also grate some processed cheese over it if you like. Otherwise you can serve it like this also. A little bit of chaat masala, as this is a Indian starter, so it goes well when you finish it. It is with a bit of chaat masala. This is ready.